Fudgy brownies, the sweet start to your dream kitchen. Welcome to Brownie Heaven. While you're preheating your oven to 350 degrees, let me just say, there's nothing quite like whipping up a batch of fudgy, gooey brownies in a kitchen you love. And if you're not swooning over your current kitchen, don't worry. I, your favorite realtor, can help you find the perfect space to create sweet memories and even sweeter treats. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, melted, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup chocolate chips, because more chocolate is always the answer. Instructions: prep your space. Grease an 8x8 baking pan or line it with parchment paper. Bonus tip: this is much easier in a kitchen with ample counter space. Hint, hint. Mix it up. In a large bowl, whisk together melted butter and sugar until smooth. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well, then stir in the vanilla extract. Dry meets wet. Sift together flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Then slowly fold this mixture into wet ingredients. Stir until combined. Pro tip: don't overmix unless you like brownies with a texture of cardboard. Chocolate boost. Gently fold in the chocolate chips. The secret to the best brownies? A little extra chocolate love. Bake to perfection. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and smooth it out. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the top is shiny and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out with few crumbs. Cool and devour. Let the brownies cool for at least 15 minutes before cutting. Or, dive in with a fork because life's too short to wait. Whether you're enjoying these brownies with a cold glass of milk or sneaking a piece for breakfast, no judgment, they taste even better in a dreamy kitchen you adore. So when you're ready to upgrade to a home with a kitchen that inspires your inner shelf or just makes you feel like one, call me. I'm here to help you find that perfect home for all of your culinary adventures. Because let's be honest, life's too short for bad brownies or bad kitchens.